Action.
It's Sarah here, coming to you from the Woodstock Fruit Festival 2013. I'm here with a friend, Megan Shiro, and I was just wondering why you came to the 80-10-10 lifestyle.
I came to this lifestyle because when I was 13 years old, I was diagnosed with a terminal form of brain cancer, and doctors wanted to give me chemo and radiation, but they were really confused about my case, so there wasn't a lot of certainty involved. And so my mother and I decided to just step back from the situation, and long story short, we ended up finding raw foods. And after about a year and a half on the raw diet, I went into remission, and then I started eating really simply, really clean, just fruits and vegetables, and I healed myself completely.
That is amazing. And yeah, some doctors said that it was terminal and there was nothing they can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. And you're 100% health now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so amazing. So well done. It's such a pleasure to meet you. Thanks, Megan.
Of course.